Hello? This is amazing. This is unbelievable, isn't it? I'm just filming a bit, yeah. That's Mark Knopfler's house. Yeah, no worries. What a beautiful place. Oh. Wow. Hello. It's really nice out here. It's really calm. It's really peaceful. But I'm really fucking scared because I'm on a tiny little boat and I don't like the water. But I'm having a go and I'm going to keep doing it because it is really nice. I think if I put my legs in the water, I'll feel more stable. Oh, I do. That's amazing. I'm going to do that. Oh, there we are. Look at that. That's better. Now I feel more stable, funnily enough. Okay. That's where we came in. That's Tanner's Lane over there. Where is it? There. I'm not out very far. You know, Ivan is fucking halfway to the Isle of Wight over there. You can see Hurst Castle, I think it is there. And the Needles. Oh. Yeah.
Turn him upside down, he should not. Right, how can I save? Can I grab his stinger with this?
If you wrap it up, yeah.
Touch it, would he fucking sting it?
I don't know, I've never caught one, but just be fucking careful. That's amazing though. Hold it from the top, from the base of him, and push it downwards, because if you go the other way, it could get you.
From the top?
By where his claspers are. The two little flaps, that's it. Hold his tail there, and then grasp his tail with that, and then push it down over the thing. Fucking hell, stingray, that's amazing.
Whoa.
Don't even... Look at that. Look at him. Leave him in the water, take him back to shore, we'll deal with him that way. Yeah, otherwise it's either that or cut it off and... Look at him.
Whereabouts is your...